Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To change an email's options in Outlook before sending it, click the Options tab of the ribbon within the message window. Then click the dialog box launcher button in the lower right corner of the More Options button group to open the Properties dialog box. To set the message's importance, click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Importance label in the Settings section and select either the Low, Normal, or High choice. To set the message's sensitivity, click the drop-down at the right end of the Sensitivity field and then select either the Normal, Personal, Private, or Confidential choice. To ensure the item isn't auto-archived, check the Do Not Auto-Archive This Item checkbox. To add voting buttons to an email that the users can click to show their choice, check the Use Voting Buttons option in the Voting and Tracking Options section. Then select the button name choices from the drop-down to the right of the checkbox. Alternatively, to create your own voting button choices, type your own button labels into this drop-down field and separate them with semicolons. To set tracking options, check the Request a Delivery Receipt for this message and Request a Read Receipt for this message checkboxes as desired. These tell you when the message is delivered and read respectively. To send replies to the email to someone else's email address, enter that person's email address into the Have Replies Sent To field in the Delivery Options section. To set a delivery date for the message, which makes Outlook not send the message before the designated date, check the Do Not Deliver Before checkbox. Then click the drop-down arrow to the right and select the date from the Calendar drop-down. Then choose a specific time from the drop-down to the right of the Calendar drop-down. To set an expiration date for the message, after which the message is unavailable, check the Expires After checkbox. Then click the drop-down to the right and choose a date from the Calendar drop-down. Then choose a time from the drop-down to the right of the Calendar drop-down. To not save a copy of the message in the Sent Items folder, uncheck the Save Copy of Sent Message checkbox. This is normally checked. When finished, click the Close button to apply your message options.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.